So you guys, listen, I am back. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Linda here, and yes, I am back, and I am back feeling ever so fresh. We are in new season. Autumn is here, so for all those who are new to the channel, autumn is my favorite time of the year, and I couldn't be happier that we are now in autumn. So you guys, listen, I am back. And I know I ended up just sort of disappearing, didn't I? I mean, it's been like 2 months, and some of you may be asking, where are you, girl? Well, the girl is back. She was just recharging. I have 2 little humans that I do take care of, and with this pandemic I needed to put a few things in order before I could be playing on here full time. So yes, you guys, I'm back, and yes, I will be full time here. I will be releasing videos every single week, and with that, I've got something new that I really want to share with you guys, and that is my lighting. I now have new lighting. I was surprised by a special someone. For my birthday, they bought me this new lighting, and I am just so happy about that. And not only did I get new lighting, which I am going to show you briefly. Actually, let me just show you my new lighting. I'm not going to do a full setup, but I will just show you like what it looks like, what it's called. And if you want me to do an in-depth video on that, I'm happy to do that, especially for people who are looking into photography, filming, and I mean like this YouTube stuff. I really benefited from that when I was looking up these things in the past. I'm happy to share any knowledge I may have, but for now I'll just show you a little bit of that. Okay, so you guys, I've got this massive like box right here that came in with the lighting. I'm just gonna open it with you guys. I haven't opened this box. I wanted to open it with you. Okay, so let's do this. Let me just set you up good so you can see the whole thing. Just say it. Open it. Okay, there we go. Oh, yay! So this is the lighting, you guys. It's by Newa. I'm sure you've heard a lot about this. If not, I hope you will learn a few things from me filming with this light. So this is just one part of it, so I'll put it right here. And what else is in there? I've got another one because I ordered 2, right? Second one, and I believe these are the legs, where the lights will stand on. So yeah, that's how it comes, you guys. So empty now. Yep, I was right. These are the legs, which obviously you can open up. Do I know how to do this? So you can open them up. So I'll just loosen right here. Yeah, so you loosen right there, and then you will be able to, and then you press from the bottom. And yeah, you've got your leg set up. So it looks like this. So do like that. So this will be similar to that. So just so that I can quickly show you guys, I'll put this aside because obviously it's the stem, and I'll open this right here. And open this. There you go. This is what it comes like, you guys. So it will be in this package. So I will go ahead and open. Oh, it's nicely secure. Again, in this nice bag. I think this will help when you are traveling or you are filming outside of your house or your studio. This is quite portable, you guys. So just put right there. There we go. There is the light and the cables. It looks like this at the back, you guys. Hope you can see fine. This is what it looks like. And this is the front, okay? And this bit is what goes into here. So you slot it right in there and push it down, and then you screw it back up so it holds. So this can easily move, which is good. But if you want to tighten it, you can tighten it on the sides because there are like things you can use. So if you want to loosen it and it's loose, to tighten it, you can tighten it to any position you want the light to shine. So I believe you open like so. See, let me open like so. Yes. Oh my god, so this is what it looks like, you guys. Although you can adjust the height to be a bit taller or shorter, you know, you can adjust that, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so with these cables, again, nicely packaged right there. This goes right in there, and this goes behind your lighting. This is the power interface right here at the back, and so this, we just tighten it a bit. Okay, then connect this onto the mains. Yeah, turn this like so. Turn it. There we go. Oh, we are on, baby. We are on. So just as simple as that, you guys. So as you can see, I've got another one right here. Right here. So I've got two now, which means we are all set. Okay guys, so now you have seen my new lighting. I will also be sharing with you one more thing I received for my birthday. That is neon. I don't know if you are familiar with this brand, and also if you are familiar with oils, you know, like oil therapy or essential oils. If you are into essential oils, I'm not a big essential oil person. I know there are so many beliefs that go into that. I am not there yet. I am not of those beliefs. I just want a good smelling home. When my bee asked, what can I get you for your birthday, I was like, can I have the essential oil diffuser? And obviously I had looked into neon. It's just that I couldn't afford it. But when he asked, I was like, yeah, of course I'll be interested. And so I've got this neon one. Oh my god, it's still new, as you can see, still boxed. I'll show you guys if it's still new and boxed, and I'm looking forward to open it. I also bought separate essential oils. It's a 4 by 10 ml pack, which again I will show you probably in a different cut. It looks like that. I'm super excited. I even went on to buy some separate ones on Amazon just so I can have a good stash. I feel this is going to help me this time more so with the coronavirus. I mean, we are working from home. I would like to have good feelings, you know, good vibes as I am typing away. You know, I just want my home environment to be smelling good and encouraging to me doing my work. So yeah, this was just going to be a small catch up with you guys to let you know that yours truly is back. Yes, I'm back, and I'm back for good, and I'm looking forward to be putting out a lot of content for you guys. And with that, I'm happy to let you know that I've been working behind the scenes. I've been working on my kitchen, and it's finally coming together. 1 or 2 more things to go, but we are nearly there. I am happy to share that with you, that journey with you guys. So maybe we can start by me showing you how I did my open shelves, the process, and also the organization. So why don't we do that? If you are interested in that and any more of the stuff that I tend to put out on my channel, you're welcome to subscribe, turn on your notification bells, hit that like button just to let me know, guys, what you like on my channel, and then I can do more of that. You guys, I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say, you guys. And also forgive my rustiness, you know, if I feel a little bit funny on the camera today. That's because I have been off for a freaking 2 months. I mean, like, you forget these things, you know. Hopefully it's not gonna happen again, you know. Fingers crossed it's not gonna happen. I've got so much to be sharing with you guys, and I will be letting you know more of that as we proceed. So catch you guys in my next video. Bye.